Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. And if you need help with hosting your services, chatting with their support team is a great way to get quick assistance. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to start a live chat with Hostinger support in 2024. So let's get started. First of all, open your web browser on your mobile device and go to Hostinger's official website, which is www.hostinger.com. This will bring you to the home page of Hostinger where you can access all their service. And once you're on the home page, scroll down to the bottom of the page and you will see an option saying support. So simply click on it. From there, you can see an option saying contact us. Again, click on it. And once you land on this page, you will see an option saying log into chat with support. So make sure that you click on it. You can't directly start a live chat. For that, firstly you have to select a topic on which you want an assistance. Hostinger will give you different items on which you can get assistance. For this, I will be clicking on the option saying billing. And after that, select the subscription. Now as you can see, the start a live chat option is activated. So simply click on it. From there, you will be redirected to this page where you can see a text box written as send us a message. Click on it and you have just entered into the live chat feature of Hostinger. And that's it. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.